So how can you install, download and enable apps from unknown sources on the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Select that was released in 2025? Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So this is a question I'm asked on a daily basis in response to a couple of videos I've done in the past which show you how to install Downloader and also enable developer options allowing you to access or install apps from unknown sources. So how can you install Downloader and enable apps from unknown sources on the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Select so that you can sideload apps onto it? Well, at the time of recording this video in January 2026, all Fire TV sticks made by Amazon run Fire OS, which is the standard system for Fire TV devices. It runs on top of an operating system called Android. This is a system that's designed to run on various devices such as mobile phones, tablets, TVs, etc. The great thing about Android is that it's very open in the way that the developers can create apps, then upload them to a website, and users can then freely download those apps to their TV device, mobile phones or tablets and use them without any kind of restriction. The Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Select is though an exception. Amazon designed the operating system that runs on it in-house from the ground up. This is a system called Vega, and apps that run on other Fire Sticks and Android systems are not compatible with this new operating system. Therefore, developers had to redesign their apps to run specifically on the new system. This means all these apps, such as streaming apps that developers have made to run on other Fire Sticks and Android TV boxes, need to be redesigned with a specific version that runs on Vega. Developers of these apps are unlikely to dedicate their time to design a separate version of the app that will run on this new system, whilst also dedicating their time to maintaining another version of the app to allow it to still run on Android systems and other Fire Sticks. But not only that, when Amazon designed Vega, they did not implement any way of being able to sideload apps to it. So therefore, even if developers did redesign their app and brought it out to a version specific to the 4K Select, unless they can get it on the Amazon App Store, there is no known way to currently sideload it onto this new system. So therefore, this is the reason why Downloader can't be found in the Amazon App Store on the 4K Select, because quite simply, there's no way to sideload apps onto the 4K Select, so therefore there is no point in the developer of Downloader creating a version specific to the 4K Select. It's just a complete waste of time. So basically, the 4K Select is really just like an Apple device or a Samsung or an LG TV, where it's near on impossible to install apps that are not available in their respective app stores. So even if somebody does find a way to be able to sideload apps on the 4K Select at a later date, then it's unlikely there'll be any apps or many apps available to sideload on the 4K Select, because as I say, I can't see any developer designing a separate app specific to that device. So my advice is, if you're thinking of buying a Fire Stick for sideloading, then first I would recommend checking that the apps you're wanting to sideload onto the Fire Stick haven't been blocked by Amazon. And if you're happy that the apps you want to sideload will work, then I would recommend buying a Fire Stick that's based on Android, which at the time of recording this video in January 2026 is any Fire Stick or Fire TV Cube other than the 4K Select. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, consider hitting that thanks button and making a donation to this channel. Or if you can't do that, then have a look in the description down below. We've got some great links down there for you to various things, including my Amazon shop, which contains all the things I love at the moment on Amazon, Fire TV sticks, Fire TV cubes and VPNs. Buying, subscribing and donating really does help help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time to spend researching to bring you these great videos. And whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And if you do see any videos that you think your friends, your family, or your work colleagues might like to see, then please don't forget to share these videos on your social media timelines. You can check me out on X. I'm at CWTEK. You can also check out my website. It's cwtek.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and speak to you again soon.